What's up, everybody? Tip from livecasebreak.com. Just about 9 o'clock here on March 27th, 2014. We got a single box break for Tanner B. Or no, not Tanner B. Chris S. I looked at the chat. Saw the wrong name. So Chris S. Single box of Leaf Memories. Good luck, man. See what we pull for Chris. One card flopping out there. Put the buyback on the bottom. Okay, there's your empty box. Here we go. Base cards first. You got Ryan Eads of the Twins. As soon as I get that to focus. Hold on. There we go. Ryan Eads, Moran for the Marlins, Montero for the Mets, Hader for the Stros, Gonzalez Rangers, Mercado, that is a gold out of 25 for the Cardinals, Harvey for the Orioles, blue ink, there's your first auto, Kaminsky, Cardinals, Jonathan Crawford, Tigers. There's a nice one. Tyler Glasnow, number 2 pitching prospect for the Pirates behind Tyone. Nice big bold auto on that. Glasnow, and your last prospect auto is a gold. Trey Ball out of 25 for Boston. 6 out of 25 for Boston. So there's your gold auto. Lefty pitching prospect for the Sox. Your buyback, Tom Brunansky, 5 out of 5 for the Sox. Brunansky, 5 out of 5, and buyback auto, very low numbered. I think this guy sells really well too. I think this is one of the ones we were talking about last week or the week before. 4 out of 6, Steve Garvey in a Padres uniform. I think he actually sells way better than we thought. Someone looked it up on eBay. Maybe I'm wrong, but very low numbered short print. 4 out of 6. Again, Steve Garvey, San Diego Padres uniform. There's your numbering right there. Get that to focus. There you go. 4 out of 6 on that. Just close up on the ink. There's some sort of inscription underneath it too. I can't make it out though. Something on there. I know he was good. I was just talking about his value. His auto value. So there you go, Chris. Cool. Good deal. Let me mark that down for you. And guys, we need 3 more for the Memories. Is that Garvey 125? Yeah, see, I thought so. So there you go. That paid for your box right there, man. It's because last time we broke Memories, I remember someone said that was a whammy, and I was like, nah, I don't think so. Okay, so this is where we stand, guys. We need 4 more for NT football. 240, 8-man, 4-team draft each. And we are also filling a Memories divisional, 129.99, 6 spots. I need 3 more for that. Whichever one fills first is the one we'll start with. Baseball will start around 10 o'clock tonight with Tier 1. And triple threads afterwards. Good box there for Chris. Yeah, Will Clark buybacks sell for good money. What's up, Harold? How you doing, man? You got it, man. Let me type these out, guys. Okay, there is the line for Memories in NT football. NT football full case break. There are the 2 breaks that we're actively filling right now. NT football full case break, 240 a spot, 8 spots, and Memories. No, we did sell a Clark buyback. Ours went for like 240, I think. I think 240. I'm not sure. Alright guys, I'm going to sneak into the other window to do up sell sheets. So you guys got the numbers. As soon as one of those fills, we'll do it. I'd say tier 1 will probably start at 10 to give these 2 a little more time to fill up. Stars and scrubs. Ouch. That does suck. 2 kicker autos. Yeah. That's rough, man. Yeah, I got plenty of Bowman drafts. Plenty. That's crazy. Joe, we need 3 more. Chad, $84.99. $84.99 for that. For a draft box. We've got 3 spots left for Memories Divisional. 4 spots left for NT Football Case 8-man draft. What's up, Air Jordan? We got Memories and NT Football. Yep, and triple threads. All right, guys, I'm going to head into the other chat window. I got to get these sell sheets done for tonight. So I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes. Larry will answer any questions in the chat. DK, you got the O's and Angels. And you got the Royals. Athletics. Sox. Okay, Kevin, you're the last order. Alright guys, all done with tier 1. I'll be right back as soon as I'm done with triple threads. Triple threads. We got Seth. Eric with the reds. Seth, you got the Dodgers and Rangers Angels. Okay, we're all done on sell sheets here. All right, excellent. Go Dayton. Go Dayton. Kevin, you grabbed a spot in WBC. I don't think we'll be able to fill that tonight, so I can just sell you a single pack if you want. Probably be the easiest way, or I can refund you on the spot, whichever you want. Or you can just hold it and wait till that break fills. That'll probably be next week, though. So first break of the night, guys, coming up around 10 p.m. Eastern. There is the Tier 1. Not too many teams left in that. And then Triple Threads, plenty of teams. I'm sure that'll fill up, though, as the night goes on. And we have 3 spots left. Memries Divisional, 6-box break. And 4-box case break. That's 240. 8-man team draft. Sounds good, Kev. Yes, I did, DK. Got you O's, Angels, Nats, Dodgers, right? That's what I have. Yeah, Triple Threads will most definitely going. Yeah, I got Pandora going now. Oh, Stevie did say he would get in? All right, so we got 2 left. Tier 1, 930 to 10, Greg, yeah. I'm going to push it back to 10 if we can get this NT filled. If we can't get NT filled, Tier 1 will hop or go right about on time. But yeah, I'd like to push it back about a half hour. There's no danger of that not breaking. That's nearly full. Okay. 2 left for NT football. I'm going to tweet that out, guys. Only 2 spots left. NT football right now. Let me get the list here. I have Dave B. I have Cardboard Hobby. I have #_V. Us for 2 and Stevie for 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just need 2 more. So 2 more to go. Okay, Barry's in. I have 1 left. Barry will be here in 10 minutes to draft, so we have 1 left. Chris took it too. We're in. Okay. Guys, we do have 1 available spot if anybody wants our second one. We don't have to take 2. We got to wait 10 minutes for Barry to get here. So we'll start in 10 minutes. I'm going to get the draft board set up and everything. So a few minutes here. I'll get you guys a link just a second here. There you go. There's the link to check out, guys. Unfortunately, we cannot take Monopoly money. Alright guys, for those of you in the Tier 1 break, that's pushed back till about 10 to 10:15. We're going to run this NT football draft. So we have Chris and Barry. Let me get the draft board set up here. Yeah, I don't think the divisional is going to happen either, brother. Yep. It's happening. We're all good. I won't tell your wife. We're probably going to break Chris's 2 Memries boxes. And then we'll do the draft because Barry's not here yet. He'll be here shortly. And just make sure this all fits on the screen. Yep, should be good to go. Yes, hold on just a second. We'll do the draft order so you guys got it all.